Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today I will discuss that how we are going to say breakfast in Chinese language and how we are going to write it. So you can see it over here. How are we going to write it? I'll just write it in front of you. You can see how are we going to write breakfast in Chinese characters. You can see here Zao fan, Zao fan, Zao fan. Zao fan means breakfast, and in Urdu we call it nashta, breakfast, zao fan. So if I'm going to ask that, did you eat your breakfast? Did you eat your breakfast? How am I going to ask this question in Chinese language, and how am I going to write this? So pay attention. Don't lose your attention because this is a very important lesson, very beginning and very important. Probably if you are a beginner in Chinese, you will know this character. This is ni. Ni means you, tum. In Chinese it is ni, in English it is you, and in Urdu it is tum. Ni. Shi, ni, shi, you, and chi means to eat something. Shi, ni, chi. Wait. So that you can recognize our word of the day with a different color. Zao fan, zao fan, ni chi zao fan. Zao fan means breakfast, as I have told you. So you chi, to eat, zao fan. Le, ma, ni chi zao fan le ma? Ni chi zao fan le ma? Ni means you, chi means to eat, zao fan is breakfast, nashta. Le is a particle which, when it is placed in a sentence, it tells us about the completion of an action. So if you can see it here, the question has been asked about the eating of breakfast. So did you eat your breakfast? As a whole, this sentence means did you eat your breakfast? क्या तुमने नाश्ता कर लिया या क्या तुमने नाश्ता किया है? Ni means you, tum, chi, खाना, zao fan, नाश्ता. ल, ये लफ्ज़ चाइनीज़ ज़ुबान में किसी एक्शन के या कोई अमल जो है वो मुकम्मल हो गया है तो उसके लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. तो ज़ाओफन जो है वो नाश्ता है, च खाने का अमल है, और खाना खाने के अमल को मुकम्मल किया जा चुका है क्योंकि हम माजी के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. सो नी ची ज़ाओफन लमा, क्या तुमने नाश्ता कर लिया या क्या तुमने नाश्ता किया है? सो दिस इज द Urdu meaning of this sentence. We have written it and we have understood that what every individual word means. So 你 you 吃 okay, so if I put this le, so it means that I'm asking that have you completed eating your breakfast. So 你吃早饭了吗? Did you eat breakfast? क्या तुमने नाश्ता कर लिया? So the word today was 早饭. 早饭 means breakfast, नाश्ता. 你吃早饭了吗? Did you eat a breakfast? If I could write it over here, did you eat breakfast? Did you eat breakfast? क्या तुमने नाश्ता कर लिया? क्या तुमने नाश्ता कर लिया? या क्या तुमने नाश्ता किया है? ये भी एक माना हो सकता है. नाश्ता किया है. So these are the Urdu meaning of this sentence. Ni means tum, ch, kana, zaafan, नाश्ता. ल ये लफ्ज़ कानी के अमल की मुकम्मल होने की तरफ इशारा कर रहा है, और माँ ये लफ्ज़ चाइनीज़ ज़बान में जुमले के आखिर में इस्तेमाल होता है, और इसका मतलब है कि जुमला जो है वो सवालिया बन गया अब. ओके, सो ये जुमले को सवालिया बना देता है, सिंपल जुमले को सवालिया बना देता है. सो नीचे जाओ फन लमा, क्या तुमने नाश्ता कर लिया या क्या तुमने नाश्ता किया है. सो आवर वर्ड फॉर टुडे वाज जाओ फन, and this is the sentence. You noted that how we wrote this and how are we going to pronounce this. So zao fan means nashta. So this was all for today. I hope that you would have liked today's lecture. If you liked our video lectures, don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy. Thank you. See you in next lecture. 再见.